Hi, I am Suganya, Assistant Professor in Department of Business Administration in Dr. SNS College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to discuss about how we are going to sort an array elements. Through C programming, we are going to discuss sort the elements. So, how we are going to sort the elements which is present in the arrays concept. So, let us discuss one by one. So, first will be we need to include the header file. So, there are two basic header file to be included. So, first one will be the standard input output header file. Second one will be the folio.h. So, this is the basic, these two are the basic header files. Next, it starts from the main function. So, inside of the main function only we are going to write the code. So, first will be the value declarations. Int A is the variable name. It is going to store 5 elements. So, here what I am doing is, here I am specifying the number of values by default. So, I am not getting the values from the user. I am initializing some values to the variable of E. So, 20, 7, 70, 25, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, here I am specifying 6 elements. 20, 10, 7, 17, 25, 3. There are 6 elements are there. So, this line says that I am creating a variable of A which is including the 6 elements. Next, I want to clear the previous screen. That's why I mentioned as clear screen. Always it must be enclosed with the semicolon. Yes. Next, I want to check all the elements which is present in the array and it must be sorted by the ascending order. Okay. For that, I am using the looping concept. For. So, we all know that for loop incorporate 3 parts. Yes. 3 parts. First part will be always initialization part. So, here I am initializing one value. It must start from 0. Why I am giving that as integer I is equal to 0, 0 means array index always start from the value of 0, position 0. So that's why I mentioned as I is equal to 0. Then condition I need to specify. The array index array will be ended with 3. So it have the index position as 5. Why it is index position as 5 means we all know that the index position must be size minus 1. The size of the array will be 6. So, the index position will be 6 minus 1, 5. So, here I am giving the values 5. So, it is automatically incremented by 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So, that's why I mentioned as I plus plus here. So, here I need to check the first value with the remaining value. Yes? Is it correct? Yes. For that additionally I need to create one more for loop. Yes. For here the same procedure, it may include 3 parts. Int j is equal to 1. J condition I need to specify. So the increment part. So here I need to check the condition. Yes? Yes. The condition must be this value will be checked with all other values. So, the 0th value must be checked with 1, 2, 3, 4. So, going to check with whenever the I is entered in that time it is going to check. So, here I am just moving only the loops. I need to check the value of 0th position value with the first position value. So, it having 0th position value of A of I. So, next first position value is going to store in a A of j. what it must do? Always the first value will be the lower value. So if the condition a of 0th value must be lower than greater than, here the mean to smallest number to be present. So the condition is checked. What is 20 is checked with next element will be the 10. So here the condition is wrong. So it going to swapping the value. So it going to change the position. So the value will be a of, so normal swapping is going to taken here. So a of I is equal to a of j is equal to temporary. Normal swapping is done. So it going to check with the, here the a of I contains 10, a of j contains 20. So the process is repeated until the fifth element is checked. Again the sequence is framed. Again the first value will be checked with all other remaining 5 values. So in this video we have discussed about how we are going to sort the elements through arrays concept. Thank you.